Good afternoon. I'm Narendra. I'm a regional manager for MLR Motors. So we are basically based out of Hyderabad. Our R&D center is in Balanagar, and our manufacturing facility is in Tupran. So we have almost 25 years of experience in automobile manufacturing, and recently, 2 years back, we have created our own brand MLR Motors uh, to manufacture electric vehicles. So here I am introducing, this is our L3 model three-wheeler cargo auto, so which can carry a payload of 350 kgs, and it is a, yeah, so it comes in three varieties. One is flatbed, container, and also pickup model. So the one you are seeing is a pickup model. And here the uniqueness here in this cargo model in our MLR autos is we have a gear system which helps in pulling the load even on a gradient roads. So this is a very unique thing, and also very technically advanced this foot brake thing which can easily apply which can easily apply and it can be parked easily by anyone. And
Load capacity.
the load capacity is 350 kgs, and it is a rated load capacity, and we can so if it can also pull even more load.
How much cost?
So the cost of this thing is 3 lakhs ex showroom price, and it's a slow speed model.
What about features in vehicle? Three-wheeler vehicle. Features.
Features, first thing I want to say is it's a ARI certified model, the L3 auto, and which it's a very solidly built with our own chassis, and so you can expect a good reliability of the vehicle, and it has all the features what regular autos have. Okay.
This vehicle are battery or
Yeah, it's a it it is powered by lithium ion battery, LFP high power battery with a 5 kilowatt hour battery capacity, which can give a range up to 100 kilometers. And we also giving a warranty of 3 years on this battery.
what differences petrol vehicle in this battery vehicle?
See, generally petrol vehicles and all, when it comes to, if you are, see, whenever we want to go with a battery, if we know the route what daily we are commuting, so, and we know the kilometers how, for a fixed people who are regularly going in the same area, same location, same distance, those people can definitely prefer electric vehicles over petrol vehicle, because when it comes to running cost, the petrol will be nearly 4 to 5 rupees per kilometer. So it will be hardly 1 rupee per kilometer, the running cost. And there is nothing here apart from battery, there is no much maintenance cost. And battery also, uh, you, since we are giving a very good battery, you can expect good results out of it.